Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is gonna be one that y'all wanted to watch, and this one is on the Colourpop Dream Something collection. And I recently showed y'all these in my makeup haul and unboxing video, so I am gonna be trying out all of the products today. Not for the first time though. I tried to film this video yesterday and it did not work out because I started filming really late because of my editing skills on a new software, which are not so great. But the majority of the comments were for the Colourpop collection. So this is what I'm doing. So everything else I already have on my face. Whatever I don't have in this collection is what I already have on my face, which is pretty much like all of the face products except for the highlighting palette because I did get one. So let me go over what I'm going to show you today. Today I am going to do an eyeshadow look with this one. So I am refilming this, so it's not a first impression. I've already tried some of these colors, and then these do have the names in the back. And then the next item is the Dream Sequence, which is the highlighting palette, and it comes with 4 Super Shock highlighters. And I'm going to use one of these today in combination with a palette. This one is the Super Shock Shadow Collection. This one's called Double, I keep looking at the back, Double Rainbow. And it comes with very pretty containers and eyeshadows. I know the containers don't really matter, but they're usually white. So this is something very different to see. And then lastly is the Flying Colors lipstick set. And it comes with 2 satin, 2 metallic, 3 matte, and 7 glosses. Look at how beautiful this is. You do get a mix of different finishes, and some of these colors, well, let me show you without them. There we go. You can see them way better like that. Look at these glosses. Ah! I thought all of them were gonna fall over. Okay, so the first color that I'm gonna use is this one on the edge. This one is called Woke, and it is a very light pink shade. And I'm going to use my fluffy blending brush. This one doesn't have a mirror, by the way. So I'm going to get another palette and just apply this on the transition area. By the way, the colors that I used yesterday were pretty easy to blend out. So I was impressed with the quality. Not that Colourpop has been bad. I only have one palette, I think, from them, which is the Dream Street. And that one blends out just fine. But, you know, you never know. So this one is the pink one. Look how pretty that looks already. And it's easy to blend. It's like really smooth. Let me get a little bit more and concentrate that on the outer corner all the way to the inner corner. And I'm going to use the dark purple in here. It's a dark matte purple. This one's called Keep Cool. And I'm going to apply this with my MAC 217 brush. And this is the brush that I use for packing on. And I'm going to apply this on the outer corner of the eye. And just work my way in a tiny bit. Not all the way though. Let me get a little bit more and build it up. So now I'm going to take my fluffy brush again and I'm going to blend out those edges. The purple one does seem to be just a tiny bit harder to blend out, but not too bad. And I'm going to go over that with the pink just to help me blend it out and add some product. It just feels like the purple one is a little bit drier. The pink one feels super, super smooth. Okay, so I decided to do this cut crease because I felt like it would just look so much neater, like just better, and you would really be able to see the colors. Because sometimes when I just simply apply them to my eyelid, they just look kind of like plain. I'm going to use the white shade in here, and I'm going to apply this one on the center of the eyelid. I have no idea how this is going to look, but I'm going to try it anyways. This one is called Blurred Lines. And my brush does have a little bit of concealer on it from, you know, the picking up the product that I tried to do because I don't want the concealer to be too thick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this one on the center. Oh, look at how pretty. So I do have a sticky concealer, and then I had sticky concealer still on the brush. Let me grab a little bit more and again apply this on top of it because I want to pack it on. Not that it's not showing up, but I just want to make sure that it looks super bright. Look at how pretty that looks. So nice. Okay, and I'm just going to wipe this on a napkin right there real quick. And I'm going to take this shade right here. This one is called Rem, and it is the Pretty purple, light purple one. I'm just gonna take it on my brush. Yesterday I tried it with my finger and it works fine, and I then tried it with the brush and it worked fine too, so I'm just gonna use my brush. I know those are supposed to look better with your finger, but I don't always use my finger, especially in like areas like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the outer and inner corner of the eye. How cute is this purple? Oh, look at that. How cute is this purple? That was like a big old chunk. Where is it? Let me get a little bit more, not so much so it doesn't ball up on me. Let me get a little bit more. And I'm going to take more of the white. I'm going to blend in the purple with the white, but I need a little bit of product just to make sure that it looks blended. So I'm going to go over the purple lines and blend them together. Okay, and what I'm going to do is take a little bit of the dark purple from here. This is just a little pencil brush. It's a tiny one. And I'm going to go over the cut crease to clean it up and intensify it there. Try not to get too close to where you apply the concealer. I do sometimes, and because I mean, it's hard to be like completely exact, but it does make it look a lot cleaner if you don't touch where the concealer is. I brush the blending brush and just go over these two. I'm not adding any color, at least not yet, unless I need to, but I just want to blend it out a little bit. Okay, so on my lower lash line, I'm going to apply the pink one, this one in the middle. It does look like it has a little bit of shimmer in there, but overall the shade looks pretty matte. So I think it'll be fine. I'm going to apply this one on the lower lash line. Then I'm going to take a flat brush and apply the dark purple very close to my lower lashes. Alright, so just so you know, I am getting fallout from some of these matte shades. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with this waterline pencil. This is by Urban Decay. It's called Space Dust, and it's just a metallic, very light eyeliner shade. So I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line. I'm going to go back. Well, actually, let me get my pencil brush so I can get super close. And I'm going to take a little bit of purple and get close to that and just blend it back in there. So I finished off the other eye, and I'm just going to show you how it looks because I might add black eyeliner, but just so you can see how it looks without it. Okay, so I went ahead and I applied the wing liner as well as some falsies. I feel like with the black eyeliner, it would make a good contrast with the pastel colors that I'm wearing. So, and I don't feel like it took away from the look. Like even the eyelashes, I feel like it made it look even better. So I think I'm gonna go with this one right here. This one is called Counting Sheep, and this one also has the names in the back, but they're backwards. So the color Counting Sheep over here is on the opposite corner, which is pretty weird because I can't even tell you by looking at the back. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and grab this one with a pointy brush and apply this on my brow bone. Oh, that was like really intense. I applied this one on my face yesterday, but oh, that looks so pretty, but not like super precise like this, and it looks really intense. And I'm going to apply this on the inner corner. Okay, so there we go with the inner corner and the brow bone. I think it looks really, really good. It like finished up the look. And I'm going to take my highlighting brush. Well, actually, let me apply with my finger first. I'm going to use the color, which one should I try? I haven't tried this one at all, not on my inner corner or on my face. So I'm going to go ahead and just take it. Hopefully it's not too pink for me. But I'm going to apply this on my cheeks. Oh no, that looks pretty good. I use this color again, the one I used on the inner corner and on the brow bone, and apply this on the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose. Cute! And then I'll apply this on my cupid's bow. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and apply that same shade on my forehead. Now I'm using a fluffy brush because I don't want it to be like super intense. And since it's a super shock shadow, it won't pick up like a bunch. So there we go with that one. And I'm just going to go over it with my finger to help me blend that. So I'm going to apply some highlight on my shoulders, and I'll just show you this part too since I'm going to use these. I'm just going to use the pink one here. Is it showing up? Yeah. Ooh, that was a lot. I think that was like a big chunk or something. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to pick a lipstick or lip gloss. I'm not sure what I want to do yet. So I'm thinking maybe this one. You know what? I think I'm going to try this one. This one is called Pitter Ponder, and this one is like a light pink. This one's an ultra satin lip, and then maybe I can top it with like this pink one or the clear white one. Okay, so I think this one will look fine. It's kind of bright, Yeah, kind of bright, but I think it'll look okay. So I wasn't sure which one I wanted to use, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and just use the clear one or the white one. Okay, so this is the complete look. Let me know what you think about the color combination in the comments. I know that it can seem like a little much because it's so much color, but this is what the collection is about, and if you requested the video, then I'm pretty sure it was because you were somewhat into something. I do think the palette is good if you love a color. I mean, you will get a lot of looks from it, but not only that, it also has some neutral tones. So you do get a light brown, a dark brown, and then like a light warm shimmery brown, this one right here, which looks really pretty. So you can create a little bit of both. And even with these shades, these are the ones I used yesterday. They're a little softer. Like, I didn't use that one, but I used these two, and they're a little softer, so you can still create some soft looks, but when you want some color, you can for sure get it from here. And then I am so in love with this shade right here. I don't know if they'll sell these as singles, I'll let you know, but this color Rem right here, it just looks so pretty. I really, really liked it today and yesterday whenever I used it. So let me know in the comments if you are getting anything from this collection, if this video helped you decide whether you wanted to get something or not get something anymore, just because now that you've seen it, you're like, okay, maybe that's not so much for me. But yes, you guys, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.